Welcome back again to my channel. It's your boy here, Joe Machis, on the reaction. And thank you so much for watching it, and thank you so much for great support. I really appreciate you guys for watching my videos. And today, I'm back again with my legendaries, with my fanos. So I miss you guys, some months, So, and this founder say I released a new video, and I say, wow, this video is a banger. You don't tell where you are to find music, but today I drop another banger. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share. So let's feel the vibe of respect the music of Fano, the vibe of the Fano, the freedom fighters. Okay, the music is so motivation, like banging. Okay, guys, here we go. Ooh.
Not Colonna, man of those who find what up, no inaxal, man of those who find what up, you have a light in fashion, my sound, no Colonna, and what do you of Terraji, no Colonna, some knowledge, just not all the years, no Colonna, Alkidana love, who find Morris, no Colonna, Naim Malasam, Kagudu Silence, no Colonna, Rubat the Shanas, Januquando, no Colonna.
Wow, fun will get this this is what they put inside music. There is two things inside fun music that you can hear. Like it's motivation, right? So guys, don't forget to it's your boy here, John Machis, on the channel, and the flag of Ethiopia, that's respect. Okay, Fano movement here. I'm coming. Fano have Muslim. Fano Muslim. I never see this. What? I never see Fano Muslim, man. They're praying now. Like Fano Muslim. What the? Respect, man. Respect. What? I never see things like this, man. Wow. Not Colonna, man of those who find what up, no inaxal, man of those who find what up, no inaxal. Yet I know my brother, Jagno Janora, a Costano Monte, and Abe Tamara, Tinta Jagno, yet a soul, Tiglu Kalalo, yes, Samara, but yet
ሆም ይጠራ ድሮም ብታዘን እመድፍ ብትተኩስ እማይስን መለስ ካሰብነው ሳንደርስ እናልጀመርነው ላንጨርሰው እንይልቅ እጅ ስጥ ምርጫህ አንድ ነው በጎራዴ መሽካማርኮ ናስባረው ዳዴ እያዝና በለው ለጥሎመች የጦር መሪ ወንብጥሎ ምሽግ ሰባሪ እያዝና በለው ታሪኩ ነው አገር መስራት የቴድሮስ ልጅ ሲጀመር ከቷት እያዝና በለው እናልጀመርነው ላንጨርሰው እንይልቅ እጅ ስጥ ምርጫህ አንድ ነው እናልጀመርነው ላንጨርሰው እንይልቅ እጅ ስጥ ምርጫህ አንድ ነው ምርጫህ አንድ ነው ምርጫህ አንድ ነው ምርጫህ አንድ ነው ምርጫህ አንድ ነው
Wow, we enjoyed it, we're loving it, and thank you so much for watching it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. And big shout out to all Ethiopians, big shout out to my fans. Respect. Peace out.